Good evening, everyone. And there are many of the new candidates. I am just getting them. So I'll explain once again about the session. Myself, Dilip Singh Kharra. And this is my YouTube channel, Merchant Navy India. And we have taken one session also last year, which is IMU CET coaching plus the interview preparation. So this time also we are going to be start one more session which will be covered sponsorship. I'll tell you about this session why we have keepen and what are the things basically we are going to be covered in this session. So first of all, happy Dhanteras and advance happy Diwali to everyone. Hope ये दिवाली आप सबके लिए बहुत अच्छी हो और आपकी सिलेक्शंस लाए. सो जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि ऑलरेडी अगस्त वाले सेशन का एडमिशन एंड हो गया है और अब सारे इंस्टीट्यूट अपने फेब्रुवरी बैच का एडमिशन स्टार्ट कर दिए हैं. सो देर आर मेनी ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट दे हैव ओपन ऑल्सो देयर एडमिशंस. So there we can apply and we can be process for our sponsorship exam. So ये जो हम सेशन करने जा रहे हैं, इस सेशन में मैं सबसे पहले बता दूं कि जैसे पिछली बार IMU CET जो रैंक थी, जो वैलिड थी, वही रैंक फरवरी के लिए यूज होगी. सो इस बार किसी को ये सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है कि हमें IMU CET की प्रिपरेशन कर. बट देर आर मेनी अदर प्रिपरेशन विच इज एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस फरवरी सेशन. पहली चीज हो गई, हमें सारे स्पॉन्सरशिप फॉर्म्स का पता होना चाहिए, राइट. सेकेंड चीज हो गई, हमें स्पॉन्सरशिप एग्जाम जो रिटन एग्जाम है वो प्लस इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन होनी चाहिए, राइट. थर्ड थिंग, हमारे पास शिपिंग नॉलेज होना चाहिए, जैसे टाइप्स ऑफ शिप्स हो गए, कोस्ट लाइन हो गई, कौन सी कंट्री में कैसे टाइप का पोर्ट है. जैसे हमारा जो मुंबई वाला पोर्ट है, इट्स पॉपुलर फॉर व्हाट, कंटेनर पोर्ट है, तो वो क्या है पोर्ट, types of ships and many things basically covered in this. So basically these three things: sponsorship forms and sponsorship exam and interview preparation and shipping key classes. So this is actually we have organized a type of course which we are going to be launched from 15th of November. Whoever candidate is interested, I'll share the phone number or Google form with this video in the description link. There they can fill it and we will contact them for the courses. There are limited seats for this. Main purpose is to provide you a good sponsorship. This was the main purpose for this course. And the cost of this course is 5,999. This was the fees of this courses, right? So as for the example, they say right now you will find in the industry, the Anglo is already out their forms, Samundra is out, and Great Eastern is going to be out after Diwali, and IMI is also out their forms. And very soon you will find from the ARI also and TS Rahman. Only these are the institute basically going to be recruited for the February batch. So February batch is basically less sponsorship. So candidates are struggling more. So that's why they required a good preparation for this. So for that, I just need to be give the information to everyone. I think everybody is understood. अगर आपको कोई doubt है, तो just let me know. I'll try to clear your doubts regarding this. You can message me or you can unmute and ask.
Sir,
To be faith on the institute and the working style. Now, someone was telling that how do we need to be contact? Open the website. Whenever you need to be contact to any of the institute, open their official website and find their numbers over there itself. Call them and contact them. This is only the best way to contact with the institute. Or you can send them an email always because you will find the reply. It may take a time, but you will get a reply when you do on email, right? Anything else apart from this? Sir, ARI is coming for the February batch. I heard that ARI is closed now. The internal news, I don't know about the ARI, but yes, they didn't take the admissions for this session and may possible कि next session भी ना लें. Right now internally what's going on over there, or they have closed the DNS, वो DNS नहीं करवाएंगे. So these things basically it's not revel, and I can't tell you because I don't have authentic source right now. But it may possible, yes, the ARI is closed now for the DNS. It may possible. But right now, the admission open for Anglo. Great Eastern will open soon after Diwali. Samundra is open and IMI is open. These three are already open. You can do their registrations because choices are less for this session. Anything else? I think I have covered all the doubts which is regarding this session. So we will summarizing up the entire session. The session we have.
Sir, do you have any number of MSc?
Right now, I can't tell you that, but they have on the official website, you will find their email ID. You can do the email.
Sir, I called, mailed everything because the MSc interview which was taken was not worth. And when we tried after the interview, many of the students, there were no calls, no contacts with them. Because the interview was like, good morning, what's your name?
I agree. I agree. See, I'm telling you one thing. It's a very big company. So very rare that you will find the contact number. Yeah, you will get a contact with these companies. It will be very rare. Sometime you have successful to contact with PIL or Dockendale. It does not meaning कि next time जब आप contact करोगे तो आप successful होगे. It never happens because it's in the same way. When you get your sponsorship and enter in the shipping industry, you will find in this way why they have very difficult the way to contact with the candidates. You will find over there when you be enter in the or you will be part of this thing. So that's why you just send a email, and right now process is complete. Now they will be processed for the next, I think, in April 2022 for upcoming batch of the August. So in that you can join. But right now it's no use to email them in the company. I am telling you very frankly, you have to accept this.
Yes, sir, I accept it. And one more thing, sir. Are the exams offline this time for the Feb batch, or they're online? What's the
right now, today itself, I have got the news that in the Kerala, the COVID cases is going to be increased. And right now they have more than 1,067 something death. So the COVID is coming back. So can't promise that key things will be offline or will be going whatever is going right now. It may 99% यही होगा जैसे चल रहा है सब online होगा because the cases are going to be rises in Kerala. So it's not so easy. Again, once the Kerala comes, slowly it will become in other state also. It happen always. So can't guarantee for this. But you need to be prepared for the online at least because if you prepared well now, so examination will also be online. See, in the case whether the thing will be offline or online, your examination will be there. Like this time also, जो sponsorship exam हुए online हुए वो तब भी हुए तो आपको प्रिपरेशन तो करनी है यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर एंड द बेस्ट वे फॉर द बुक्स फॉर द प्रिपरेशन इज एनसीईआरटी बुक्स अगर आपके पास एनसीईआरटी बुक है तो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ और इंग्लिश की वो प्रिपेयर करिए दैट्स इज मोर देन इनफ यू डोंट नीड टू बी बाई एनीथिंग दैट्स is more than enough sufficient if you can make it will be more than enough right so I think we have covered any other questions from anyone or we can stop the meeting.
So just one last question. How many seats are there in total, like from IMI, from TS, from Anglo, Sims, and Great?
You can note down. I am telling you the seats. Anglo will have this time 80 seats. ARI will have 40 seats. If ARI will come in the picture. IMI will have 40 seats. Right? Samundra will have 40 seats. Great Eastern will have 40 seats. So only and TS Rahman is also have 40 seats on. So you can count it only these many. Now here the doubt for the DNS is ARI and TS Rahman. These two institute may possible कि इनके session start ना हो. So we left with 18 Anglo, Great Eastern, Samudra, and IMI. These four the institute we have in this time. So it's little difficult because less seats will be there for the companies and there are more crowd, of course. So little difficult, we have to be prepared. Well, अगर हमें एक भी चांस मिलता है फरवरी का, तो you can get yourself कि you are lucky. It is, I am telling you very frankly, because last many year I have seen this situation. So I am telling you, start preparation. Okay. Any other doubt with anyone? See, I'll upload this video on YouTube. There you will find a Google link which you can fill it, and further we will contact for the session which we are going to be start from the 15th November. Or I am sharing my phone number. You can contact me through WhatsApp. You can send me the WhatsApp over. Okay. So I'm going to be end this meeting. I hope everybody got it everything. Okay.
Sir,
Thank you. Yes, Harsh. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir. Sir, should I
Please.
fill the IMF form now?
Yes, you can fill. Right now, I think they have Diwali holiday. So I must say that now you guys need to be contact on 8th of November. After that, you can contact with the institute for their for your registrations. Okay. So we have covered everything.
Sir, I filled the IMI form which is on the website.
Yes, then they will
But
contact
I didn't
you.
get any.
They will
Yes,
contact
sir.
you. After Diwali, everything will happen now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you a lot to everyone. Stay safe और दिवाली में आराम से खेलना कोई नुकसान मत करना. Okay. Please share
Thank you.
as much as possible this video. Thank you. Thank you everyone.